I'm running 3 online Irish courses starting in January and they're live to book now at gaeilge.com/cursey. Myself and the lovely Brianna Newling she are offering Cursa Cora a Hain agus a Dá a Ríis again and a brand new course called Cursa Club Leor, a book club course. You can pay €170 for each 8-week course now, or €185 after the 3rd of January. And if you still haven't got someone a Bruntonus Nolog Christmas present, this might be a good idea. The Cursi Cora conversation courses are designed to give you the morning to have conversations. You won't be expected to already be able to have conversations. If your main goal is conversation, then this course is for you. They are conversation focused. In each class, we will have a sample dialogue, and these will inspire our own guided conversations. Cursa Cora Ahain will start on Thursday, the 15th of January, and run until the 19th of March from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this one's ideal for people not living in Ireland, unless you would like to do a class at midnight. Cursa Cora Hain goes over the basics, introducing yourself, talking about the weather, feelings, and a bit of the past tense. Cursa Cora Ada will start on Tuesday, the 12th of January, and run until the 10th of March at 6:30 p.m. Irish time until 8 p.m. That's 1:30 p.m. in Eastern Standard Time until 3 p.m. Cursicora Ada is right for you if you're familiar with those Cursicora Hain topics that I mentioned and you are advancing as a beginner. We will focus on past and present tense and asking and answering questions, as well as some of the comparative adjectives, which is just like marhampla, níos far, which means better, níos, níos mo, bigger. Very useful for Cora. And last but not least, Cursa Club Leor. As I said, this is a new course. The book we will be reading is Trumley Lehanya Nicholin. Trumley means nightmare, so it's a bit of a thriller. This course is suitable for beginners and intermediate. If you're a beginner who would like to improve your pronunciation, you can do so in this course by reading and listening. You'll also pick up some vocabulary that's useful to you at this stage, and there will be beginner-friendly activities. If you're intermediate, you will have more advanced activities. You'll pick up more advanced vocabulary, and you will be challenged by engaging in discussion about the book. You do have to buy the book. There is a link on the course description to some places where you can buy it. I hope that one of these courses sounds right for you and that I might meet you. Just a reminder that it's only €170 until the 3rd of January. Then it's 185. So chop chop. It will be 800. It will be 800. 800.